Hey everyone, this is Neha from Eagle Eye Forex and welcome back again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an amazingly profitable Forex trading strategy that will definitely help you grow the small Forex accounts in the shortest time period possible. This strategy is based on Williams Alligator Indicator. It's totally free and you'll find it easily on TradingView and MetaTrader. If you understand the indicator properly and practice enough, this is going to be a magic strategy for you. The video is going to be very helpful for everyone out there who is looking for an easy and a profitable forex trading strategy that actually works, and especially for those people who cannot afford big startup capital. Now let's get into this strategy, but before that, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because it helps to grow our community. So today you'll learn how to set alligator indicator on the chart in TradingView, and then we'll test the effectiveness of the indicator based on my strategy. After that, I'll teach you my secret strategy, and then we'll learn to set the perfect stop loss and exits using alligator indicator and price action. And then I'll tell you some important rules of using the indicator strategy that are going to make huge difference in your winning rate. In the end, I'll share my backtesting data results. So first thing first, let's set the indicator. To get this indicator, simply you gotta go to Indicators tab at the top left corner right here, or just press the slash button on your keyboard, search for alligator and select the Williams Alligators. Now keep the settings to default and do not change anything, like the colors and inputs should be kept in their default settings. The alligator indicator that you can see on the chart is developed by Williams. It consists of 3 smooth moving averages which will help in identifying a trend and its direction. The 3 lines are simply placed on the price chart. The blue line represents the jaw, red line represents teeth, and green line represents lips of the alligator. In the perfect uptrend, you will find green greater than the red and red line greater than the blue line. Similarly, in a downtrend, you will find blue followed by the red and then green. This is ideal scenario for uptrend and downtrend. You should always enter the trend when it's entering into a particular trend and avoid when these lines are twisted together. Now let's see if the indicator is worth using or not. Does it actually help to find some quality trades? To check the effectiveness, we'll see how many trades we can find in 2 minutes. Now the countdown begins. So we are done testing this strategy. Now we'll count the trades or opportunities that we found in 2 minutes to evaluate the results. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we found 12 winning trades from the previous data. This data proves that the indicator strategy is going to change your trading game. So what are we waiting for? Let's learn the strategy. The strategy is very simple and easy. Just look at the chart. Firstly, let's remove these positions to get a neat and clean chart. This is the alligator indicator that we set earlier. Now, after setting the alligator indicator, keep in mind the color of these lines. What you have to do is just spot the crossover of green and red line. When the green line crosses above the red line, you can open up buys. And when the green line crosses below the red line, you will enter the sells. Let's do some quick examples, then I'll tell you 2 important rules of this strategy. So here's the green and the red line crossover, and the green line has just crossed above the red line, so you could have entered buys. Here at this crossover, the green line crosses below the red line, so you could have entered sells. Another crossover, another opportunity, the green line crossed above the red line, so you could have grabbed this bullish move with this indicator strategy. Moving on, here's another selling opportunity using this indicator. You could have grabbed this entire bearish move. Just wait for a crossover of green and red line and enter buys. If the green line crosses above the red line, and sells if the green line is below the red line. Trades here and trades here opportunities are everywhere with this indicator. Here's another selling opportunity. Just imagine you entered at the crossover and grabbed the move to all the way down. We got another entry here, one more selling opportunity with our crossover strategy. We have got a second selling opportunity here as well. Just avoid the sideways market structure where all the colored lines are crossing over each other and there's no indication of the market direction. So moving on, we got one more buying opportunity here. This is crazy. Look at the move. This could be one of the best trading opportunities of this year. Entries and entries everywhere. Now the question is, if you enter at the crossover of green and the red line, where should be the stop loss and the potential target profit? Well, you don't need to worry about anything. I've got the answer to this question as well. But before that, if you like this strategy, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now you can set your stop loss below or above the blue line. For example, here, if you were to buy here, because the green line has just crossed above the red line, your exact entry would be somewhere at this price. Now, if you notice at this point, the blue line is below the entry level, so you can set your stop loss a bit lower than this blue line. Of course, you can also use alternative methods to set your stop loss as per your strategy and the ability to take risk depending upon your account size. Now, to decide a potential take profit, you have 2 choices. Number 1 is to set your TP at the previous support or resistance level. For example, here's a recent area of resistance and there's a high probability that this level will get a retest. So we can set our profit target near to this resistance level. And you can see our TP would have been hit if we were in this trade. The second option to set profit target is to simply look for the next crossover of the green and the red line and exit your position right at the crossover. But I personally like to set the target profit according to the market price action using support and resistance because it works most of the times regardless of the indicator or the strategies you are using. So in this example, if you set the TP to the previous resistance level, you would have got more profits and better risk to reward ratio than waiting for the next crossover. Moving on to another example, the green line has just crossed above the red line and the blue line is the lowest one, so you can enter buys at the crossover. The actual trade entry would be somewhere at this level. Set your stop loss below the blue line and target profit to the recent resistance level. It is so simple and easy. You just need to practice enough and figure out what works for you. Let's head over to one last example. So again, this is a crossover of green and red line. The green line has crossed below the red line, so we'll enter sells. somewhere at this price level. The stop loss will be above the blue line, and for the target profit we'll find a recent level to the left. So this is a recent support level. Let me just draw a rectangle to make it more visible to you guys. So this is the recent support, and we'll set the potential target profit nearest to it. As you can see guys, each of the entries taken with this strategy turned out to be perfect. No drawdown, straight TP hit in all the entries. I hope that this strategy is clear to you guys. Now we'll head over to some important rules of this strategy that you should keep in mind while giving this strategy a shot. Rule number 1 is to avoid trading sideways. Rule number 2 is to practice this strategy on a demo account first, because the indicator might not work with all the pairs and time frames. So do your own research before trading on a live account. Here's my backtesting data results. So I took 100 trades combining this alligator indicator strategy with multiple time frames. Among the 100 trades, 85 of them turned out to be winning trades. 70 trades from them managed to hit the TB. While I lost 15 trades, 10 of them hit SL because of tight stop loss, but I managed the risk properly, so the overall results were quite positive. So this seems to be a profitable indicator strategy if you practice enough and don't budge from your trade plan. If you guys have any confusion, just feel free to ask in the comments down below. Before ending this video, I'm really excited to announce that we have started managing Forex accounts as well. So if you're still struggling with the Forex trading, or you don't have enough time to trade, just contact us on Instagram or Telegram for account management. Until next time, keep learning and keep trading. Thanks for watching.